Hello everybody, Christian here, and we're at Home Depot because our water heater broke. So yeah, a lot of stuff in the garage got messed up because it's water. So we're here to try to see if we can replace it or find something that'll help us. Oh no, Mom! No, Mom! Turn, Elliot, turn!
You don't hit me.
My knees are weak. That was a real fall. See that last? My foot there.
Your knees are weak and your mom's spaghetti is on your jacket or something.
And these weak arms are heavy.
Oh, your arms are
He
heavy.
vomited it up his mom's spaghetti.
Not how it goes, but alright. Music's loud. So I've seen people do this in like vlogs where they put their hand over the camera and they teleport somewhere else. I'm not sure how that works, but let's see if I can do it. We're in the same place. Hey, if you guys can tell me how this works in the comments, just write it down in the comments. Because it's not working for me. One more time. We're in the same place. Yeah, let me go get Nalia's ult. Nalia.
What?
Do you know how to teleport people? Alright, do it. Yeah, we kind of just teleported here. I don't understand why it works for Nalia. If you guys know why, put it down in the comments below. Yeah, she did it. I couldn't do it.
What's that, dude? Pork chop.
Where did you get that one?
Over there is teriyaki pork chop.
Oh, you got it too?
Yeah, you got one? Let's see your plate. Now let's see the face. Make the face.
Too tired of it. You know that's from there. You never seen the dude with the chicken dancing?
No.